Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to sell ebooks on Etsy. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com. What you want to do is go ahead and open it up if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. And this is the home page from where we can get started. This is the home page where we can browse all the products, and in the upper right corner you will be able to log into your account. So first thing we need to do is go ahead and create an account if you do not already have one, and if you already have an account, just log in normally. So after logging into your account normally, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where we can browse all the products we can use, and we can get started managing our store using the shop manager option right here. So guys, how do we get started selling ebooks? It's very easy. You're going to sell ebooks like any other item, like any physical item. You're going to sell the same way for ebooks, and what you're going to do is open up your shop manager. If you have not already set up your store, you will be greeted by this section right here. You can get started setting up your store. You can put it into your shop preferences and so on. If you already have a store, you'll be able to manage it directly from the shop manager option and open it up just like I did right now. So you can see here, and when setting up your store, you can set up your shop preferences, naming your shop, stocking your shop, and so on. In the stocking your shop option, we're going to be inputting our ebooks. So in the shop option, we can get started inputting our ebooks. We're going to give them a name, what the name of the ebook is, and you can put in a picture of the cover or something similar so people will know what they're buying. You'll be able to sell the ebook just like any other item. It's going to enable you to select the digital option. Once you're selling your product, you're going to say that it's a digital product so that you'll be able to upload the product that people are getting once they buy them. By uploading your ebook, once people that buy the ebook using Etsy, you'll be able to go ahead and enable them to immediately download the ebook, and by that you'll be able to sell ebooks in your store just like any other product. You can set up the price, you can set up the shipping details if you want, and so on, and it's all available and easily done in the shop manager option right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.